The following is from fall 2011, Math 227, test 3. In this video, I will do number 1. Now you can spend some time pausing this video to read the question. Now let's continue. From this question we see that there's nowhere in here mentioned that the population of this amount of time to rebuild the transmission is normally distributed. It just simply said that the mean is 8.4 and then the standard deviation is 1.8. Okay, now the question is find the probability that their mean rebuild time exceeds 8.7 hours. Okay, now the probability that the mean of the rebuild time. Okay, now notice that in this case central limit theorem applies because the number of the average we are talking about is the average of more than 30 data. Okay, now I think I should say the average of more than 30 samples. The size is larger than 30. Okay, so let's say let x be the time to rebuild transmission for 1992 Chevy Cavalier, and you will see the one here is x bar 40. Okay, the amount of time for the average of 40. Okay, the average of 40 data. Then it will be, according to central limit theorem, they will be normally distributed with mean 8.4. Okay, notice the difference. X here is the underlying distribution, which is not necessarily normal. Now the average of 40 such data will be, according to central limit theorem, be normally distributed with mean 8.4 and the standard deviation, I think I should say the variance 1.8 squared over 40. Okay, now the question here then find the probability that the x bar 40 to be greater than 8.7. I will first do the standardization. P x bar 40 minus 8.4, I think I should say minus mu x bar 40 over sigma x bar 40 is greater than 8.7 minus 8.4 over 1.8 big over over square root of 40, like this. Okay, basically I standardize that first, then I get probability of standard normal distribution and then I compute that. 8.7 minus 8.4, that's 0.3, divided by 1.8 over square root of 40. I get 1.054 or 1.05. Okay, and then from here I see, oh, the one in question is the probability of the standard normal to be greater than 1.05. That's the one in question. Now if I use the table will give me this part here, right? The table will give me that part. Now then this is equals to 1 minus the probability of c less than 1.05. 1 minus, if I look at the table, 1.05, 1.058531, 0.8531. I hope you can see that. Okay, the area to the left of that. So, okay. 0.8531, that's equals to 0.1469. Okay, now that's the probability that their mean rebuild time exceeds 8.7 hours. Okay, I really think you need to pay attention to this keyword here. That's one word really define what random variable we are talking about. Okay, we are not dealing with the x, we are dealing with x bar 40. Okay, that's for fall 2011 Math 227 test 3 number 1.